Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate secure storage using Keychain and Android Keystore. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate secure storage using Keychain and Android Keystore, start by ensuring that you have the necessary development environment set up. For iOS, open your Xcode project. Navigate to the info.plist file. Add a new entry for keychain sharing if it's needed. For secure storage with Keychain, implement the SEC-item add function in your code. Begin by creating a dictionary to hold your data. Set the necessary attributes like KSSC class, KSSC attribute, and KSSC value data. Call the SEC-item add function to store the data securely. Next, switch to your Android environment. Open your Android project in Android Studio. In your desired activity or fragment, import the necessary classes for Android Keystore. To create a key, use the key generator class. Set the key properties such as key size and algorithm. Call the generate key method to create your secure key. Next, implement the cipher class for data encryption. Initialize the cipher with the generated key and desired mode of operation. Encrypt your sensitive information using the cipher instance. To store your encrypted data securely, use shared preferences or a secure file. For iOS, to retrieve data, use the SEC-item copy matching function. Construct a query to specify the item you want to retrieve. Call the function and handle the retrieved data. For Android, to decrypt your data, initialize the cipher again with the same key. Use the cipher instance to decrypt your previously stored data. Ensure proper error handling throughout the process. Test your implementation on both platforms for performance and security. Verify that sensitive data is stored and retrieved securely without any vulnerabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.